Well, this video is a little bit of a throwback because this is where my first video was filmed, clearing out this drain. This drain is a little better than it was last time, but it's still a little gunky, as you can see. So this is how I maintain a clogged up drain. These are the tools I use to clean a drain, and it usually keeps every drain clean. I almost never need air. So I use just a jug of water, doesn't matter what kind of jug, and a big panduit zip tie for air conditioning ductwork. You can use a Romex wire, anything that you can get in that's about the diameter of the pipe, and just push it through. This is perfect for 3/4. I mean, it knocks everything out. You can see it's got some black funky stuff going on in there. See if this helps. A little bit, but every year I clean this out. So first thing I always like to do is break whatever crap that I can out of my way. This is a man-made trap, but I got through the bend. Could even try with this side around the first elbow, but that's where the crap down here always sits, is down at the bottom. So after I do that, then I like to flush the drain out really good. What this is going to do is knock any gunk or crap through the drain, because this drain never gets water flow like this through it. There you go. You know, it's nice and clear. Nothing in there anymore. Knocked it right out. So that's how I like to clear the drain. Now, another thing about this job was also, I had an interesting video on a short here that was quite interesting. A lot of people freaked out by these, but whatever, it is what it is. But I had a short, a little tiny metal shaving sat between two of these terminals and created havoc as I tapped the new hole for the door. And I was looking everywhere, I couldn't find it. Then finally I found the metal shaving just making a connection between power and common. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, throw back on my first.